Okay, today we're here at Hanky's Hot Chicken, and I got their classic chicken sandwich, which I'm not sure what it has in it. Got, I think it's mayo, lettuce, pickles, and more mayo. And I don't know if there's any sauce at all on the heat level on the chicken. And then I also got an order of pickle chips, fried pickle chips. So we'll try those out too. Actually, this goes with the other one. So let me try this one out. Chicken's pretty tender. It's got a nice seasoning on the actual breading of the chicken.
Order number 6.
The bun is nice and shiny, so it's probably, brioche maybe? Yeah, this is very tasty. If you don't want any heat at all, you can get the sandwich. And a good chicken sandwich. This is $10. So pickles are good too. There might be dill or there might be bread and butter. They're not as strong as dill pickles. Even the bun tastes good. Yeah, this is a solid chicken sandwich. It's also fairly large. So, yeah, if you want to come to Hanky's, it's in the Rolling Hills Plaza. In, I guess, Torrance? Yeah, Torrance. Well, that's what the thing says. It's right near the AMC Theaters. So, yeah, if you want to come here, so far their food is really good. Yesterday we had a couple items too, so you can check out those reviews. Oh, and let me check out
Order number 7.
This sauce is called comeback sauce. So let me try one by itself. Very crunchy. Kind of tastes the pickly taste. Not as much as if it were, what do you call it? Spears, pickle spears. There's a slight, I don't know if it's a spice or it's just the, maybe like pepper in it, in the breading. I think the comeback sauce is like sriracha mayo. It's got a little kick. These are pretty good, but because they're pickle chips, they're kind of thin, so you kind of lose some of the pickle flavor in it. Actually, I'm gonna give both of these a. These could be a little bit better, but they're actually really good too. So come to Hanky's Hot Chicken and try out their food. And let's see. Senior moment. I forgot what I was where I was going with that. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.